Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are finishing our September Build a Journal Challenge. Yay! Are you guys excited? I'm excited to be done. This month was an awesome month. I really love doing this challenge. Let me know down below if you've enjoyed it, because I have really enjoyed it. And if you did, we will do it again at another time. If you've missed out on the challenge and you wish you would have done it, we will, if you let me know, we will do it again, because this was so much fun for me, and I'm hoping it was a lot of fun for you guys. But today is the 30th and we're adding our topper to our journal. So here we go. Here's my topper. We made this in yesterday's video, and here is my journal. Here's my journal, and basically we're just gonna do this. That's it. That's all we're doing. This is a quick video. There is something that I was thinking of using that I thought of earlier. Let's see. I'm trying to reach it. Sorry. Where is it? Here it is. I have this black Aida, A-I-D-A, is that how you say it? Cloth. And I kind of want to use a little of it behind the topper. So I kind of want to cut it. Let's cut it. Let's just go for it. This is just spare I had from a project. So, that's still too big. I wanted to maybe just like a little bit peek around the corner, like this. Well, not this, be like this. That's kind of what I think I want it to do, just so we see like little bits of it. So let's cut this down. Let's see how this will work. So kind of put it on an edge. See, I like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this and start pulling off some of this. To give it whatever it is. I don't know who's here. Who's here? I have no idea who's here. I think it must be my boyfriend's here. Somebody just got here because I heard the dog barking. My dad is still not here. I'm filming the same day as the last video, and I don't know if you heard if it got cut off, because part of my video got cut off, but I did not want to stop recording. I'm like so close to being done with this, and I just wanted to record because I want to be able to finish working on my craft room. So we're just going to glue that like that. Yeah, look at how that just pokes out a little bit. But I want to get it in the exact right spot. So okay, there we go. And I need my Fabri-Tac. I just put a little pencil mark up there so I can see where I want to glue it. And yeah, this stuff is not fun because the glue will come through the fabric because it is holy, because it's cross-stitching fabric. So be warned. I'm just going to, there we go. And if I could find it, here it is. I'm just going to use my ink rag. This is the rag I use when I ink. And push this down. There we go. And then last but not least, we're going to add this. And this is like the quickest video ever, you guys. There is nothing to this. But yesterday in my video, I said the reason we're not putting our journal toppers on the same day is because you may want to add something. And I did. I wanted to add something. Oh, let's not put it upside down. And there we go. And I have glue all over my fingers. What's new? But here we go. Here is my journal topper. All on there. It looks so good. What do you guys think? I really like it. I really do like it. This is my style. You do your style, okay? Okay? We've had this conversation in almost every video I have made during this challenge. You do what you want to do. I'm just asking you to, like, say, make 3 envelopes. That's all I was asking you to do. You could make them any size, do whatever you wanted, just like the journal topper. All I did was ask you to make a journal topper. You could do whatever you want with that journal topper. You could make it however you wanted, everything like that. I was just giving you a formula to follow, and I wanted you to follow that formula. That was it. I'm just trying to rub the glue off my fingers. And this is it, you guys. We're done. We are done. Dunzo. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? But there we go. What do you guys think? Let me know down below what you think of my final product here, my final cover. Let me know how it went for you. Do you think we should add something? Listen, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I think, let me see if I can find them. Here we go. Here's some, not this. I'm telling you, these ones from Target are just coming off everywhere. It's making me laugh. What else do I have? I think that's it. Oh, I do have these clear ones. Decisions. What do you guys think? Let's see. I can use some enamel dots. I have green, yellow, and red, which would go perfect, or I could use these clear ones. Let's see how they look. These clear, like, raindrop dots. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, part of me really, really likes these clear ones. I think I'm going to do the clear. Let's do the clear. No, I don't want to do the clear. No, I don't want to do the clear because I would want to put too many on. Let's see. What about these? These are from the school days. I got them in my last mystery box. Come on. Yeah, it definitely needed something. I want to use different colors because I'm a weirdo like that. And I follow the rules of 3. Do you guys follow the rules of 3? I do. That means you put 3 of something. Oh, hello. Get off of there. There we go. All right, there we go. I like it. Okay, that's it. Done. I like it. It gave it a little bit of more color that it needed. Not like it didn't have enough color, but I love color. I love color on this journal. Anyway, like, subscribe. Let me know how you enjoyed this Build a Journal challenge down below. And I will see you guys in the next video for the full entire flip through.